Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn Toobemi tokens guys. As you can see here guys, what they are saying, Toobemi offers a new way to earn, send and pay guys. Okay, you can read more guys by tapping on the arrow here guys. Okay, back. Okay guys, open. Okay, download it guys. If you haven't downloaded Toobemi guys, come to Play Store and download it, or I will leave a download link here there guys on my bio guys. Please my link. Okay, open. As you can see guys, I have 37 top guys, which is close to 26.7 USD guys. And also guys, you can mine Toobemi guys, or to get guys, if you use my referral code guys, you will get 25 USD guys for just using my referral code guys. Okay, as you can see here guys, the gift box here, tap on it. Okay, let's claim our bonus guys. Sorry you didn't win. Okay, as you can see guys, Toobemi guys is not yet listed guys. As you can see here guys, they say top coin will soon take its place on the Mexi global stock market guys. And then you can follow them on Twitter guys. As you can see here guys, payment requests and transfer requests are made sequentially. No panic, everything is fine. Our team is always working for you. Some of our team is also in talks with Mexi Global and other exchanges for a listing date. We are excited, just like you guys. How sweet. Okay guys, as you can see, and guys, you can transfer your tokens on Trust Wallet guys. Trust Wallet. No, withdraw. As you can see guys, nothing. And you can change your extreme once it's listed guys. And the preferable wallet is Trust Wallet guys. Trust Wallet. And also guys, you can mine top coins guys. Come here to the diamond here guys, and then tap mining. As you can see guys, the bar is starting to fill up guys. Okay, top 5 miners guys. As you can see, the top 5 miners. And profit, as you can see guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you in the next video. Peace.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I.